Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add friends in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have a lot of going on. So in the top right corner, we have everything about your information, settings, and everything. In the bottom left one, we have the store. In the top left one, we have, of course, as you can see, your profile. And in the top bottom right corner, we have the Start Now button where you can go and start playing the game. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add friends in Call of Duty Mobile. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, go to the top right corner and click on the settings icon here. And sorry, not the settings icon, to click on the one here on the settings, the two friends here. And here, as you can see, you have the friend recruit, social friends, recent game, add friends, and combat advertiser. Of course, you need to go and click on add friends. And here, you can also go to your requests, or you can request these people that you played your games with, or you can go to the top right corner, click on the search bar, type in a name, then click search. When you, of course, find the friend that you want under their tag, you just need to go and click on request to request them to be your, of course, friend in Call of Duty. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.